Hello and good morning. Ayan, maghahanap ako ng piso na year 2017 new generation currency. Tingnan natin yung year, puro 2018, 2019. 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 19, 18, 2018, 18, 19, 18. Mahirap talaga mahanap yung year 2017 kasi konti lang yung ginawa na new generation currency na 2017. Yan, kailangan i-zoom natin yung cellphone camera para makita natin yung year. Kasi kung titignan mo lang siya, hindi basta-basta makikita yung year. Yan, wala.